quick lesson, Math Marbles. We're going to answer the question, what happens when we express a proportion as a graph? And we'll look at a proportion for this situation. What if I can buy 2 slices of pizza for $3? And it's really funny, outside of New York, people would ask me, a slice of what? In New York, it's very easy. We know we're talking about a slice of pizza. So let's say I want to buy more pizzas. How much would that cost? I'm going to make a little table to help us out. So number of slices of pizza and cost. So if I buy 2 slices, I know it will cost $3. What would be the next equivalent ratio? Well, if I buy 4 slices, it's going to cost $3 more. And if I buy 2 more slices, it will cost another $3. So here we go. I can actually take this graph and create ordered pairs. Meaning I have coordinates now. Here's an ordered pair, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 6, 9. And I can take those ordered pairs and I can graph them now. So what do you think will happen if I were to graph this? The number of pizzas and the cost. What do you think will happen on my graph? The more pizzas I buy, we know the cost will do what? The cost will increase as well. It's going to go up. Now, second question is it going to increase at the same rate? Is it going to change? How is it going to increase? I want you to think about it. And I'm going to show you my graph in 3, in 2, in 1. So here you go. I decided to actually graph out what happens when I buy the pizza at this rate. And you can see I've graphed the points. So here's 2, 3. Here's 4, 6. 6, 9. And I kept going. So I did another 2. And you can actually see that, yeah, the cost of the pizza is going up. So that's the first thing you're going to notice in this proportion, that is increasing as we go. And it's also increasing at a constant. So here's the first feature. Increases at a constant rate. That is our first feature of proportions on a graph. They will increase at that constant rate. And what that means is every time I buy 2 pizzas, the price goes up by 3. So 2 pizzas, price increases by 3. 2 more pizzas, price increases by 3. 2 more pizzas, price increases by 3. So it keeps happening in this way. And because of that, I know that that pattern is going to continue on and on. And because of that, these points can actually create a straight line. I can draw a straight line through the points. That's going to be my second feature. The ordered pairs create a linear, you can hear the word line in there, linear pattern. So I can connect them with a straight line. So that's something else that happens. And that happens again because of this, because there is a constant rate. It keeps going up by the same amount. Now, the other feature for us to notice here happens right here in this little corner. Proportions will start at that 0, 0 mark. So I'm going to put that in. Start at the origin, 0, 0. So here we go. Here are all the things that are true. They increase at a constant rate. We actually see the constant rate. And we saw that when it's going over 2, up 3, buy 2 pizzas, the cost increases by 3. So we keep seeing this happen on the chart. Now, finally, the last thing you can do is not necessarily a feature, but you can do it. You can find, I'm gonna put this as a star, we can identify the unit rate. And I'm gonna put down, that means when the x is equal to 1. So in other words, at this point right here, when x is equal to 1, we can find that rate. And here it is, right there in the middle. This is our unit rate. So 1 will be the first number, and whatever that second number is, that is our unit rate. And for this graph, the unit rate is actually when I have one slice of pizza, the cost is $1.50. And that's how much one pizza will cost. So anywho, we're gonna stop right here for now, but I wanted to make sure you understood some of the features in a graph that is proportional. And later on in future lessons, you're gonna see graphs that are not proportional and see if you can notice the differences between them. We'll see you in the next lesson, Math Marvel. Take care.